If your body feels stiff, do this with me. This is a gentle 5-minute full body stretch you can come back to every single day. Let's begin seated in the center of your mat. We'll start with rolling the shoulders backwards as you inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, roll the shoulders forward. Now take your left arm across the body like this. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Let's switch sides. Right arm across the body. Now reach both arms up as you inhale. Exhale, reach towards the right. Think of pulling the shoulder backwards so you don't collapse to the front. That's how you really feel the stretch in the side. Inhale back to center. Exhale, reach towards the left. Inhale back to center. Then come to the length of your mat. Extend your left leg. Bend the right and place your foot on the inner thigh. As you inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale and fold from the hips into your forward fold. You can place the hands wherever they land, whether that be the shin, the ankle, the feet. Inhale and exhale. Now, put the sole of your foot on the ground and twist with your left elbow to the right knee. Back to center and switch sides. So the right leg comes forward, left leg bend with the sole of the foot to the inner thigh. Reach both arms up as you inhale. Exhale, come into your seated forward fold. Inhale up. Exhale. Sole of the left foot on the ground. Put your right elbow and twist towards the left. Come back to center. Place both hands behind you. Extend the legs and press up into a reversed plank. And release. Slowly come to the center of your mat. And we've already gotten to the last exercise, our butterfly pose. Soles of the feet together, knees wide. You can rock the knees up and down. And if you want, you can come more to the mat. Back to center. And let's close off. Notice what changed. If this felt good, save this practice and come back to it tomorrow. For a deeper stretch, tap the video on the screen. I'll see you tomorrow, beautiful people. Namaste.